Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue can be quite common and is often due to worn bearings or a misaligned blade assembly. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, making your appliance unusable and more costly to repair. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem efficiently. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of protective gloves. Before starting, make sure your Thermomix is unplugged and cool to the touch. To open the TM31 safely, begin by removing the base screws located at the bottom of the unit using your Phillips screwdriver. Gently lift the cover, being careful not to damage any internal components. Inside, the grinding noise typically originates from the blade assembly. Locate the blade unit, which is secured in place by a central nut. Carefully disconnect any cables that may be obstructing access. Using your flathead screwdriver, loosen and remove the central nut. Once detached, you can gently pull out the blade assembly. Be cautious as the blades can be sharp. Now, take your replacement blade assembly and align it properly in the housing, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reattach the central nut, applying firm pressure but be careful not to over-tighten. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are securely in place. Now, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the cover back on, lining it up with the base, and replace the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back together, plug in your Thermomix and run a short test cycle to ensure everything is functioning properly. If the grinding noise has disappeared, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the blades for wear and tear. Clean the blade assembly thoroughly after each use to avoid any food residue that may cause misalignment. Additionally, always ensure you're using the appliance within its intended capacity to avoid stressing the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.